Learning is fun. Girl. G. Er. Girl. All. Girl. Okay, the IR makes the UR sound er. And dictionary.com, you will see it as a plain UR. But in American Heritage, it will be a UR with the U with a little house over the top. So if you're looking in American Heritage Dictionary, that's how it will look on the bottom there. The UR with the little house over the U. And dictionary.com, it will be a plain UR. So throughout this presentation, you're going to see the sound represented by the UR and the UR. First, er, first, first. It won first place. See the first place ribbon right there? It won first place. Birth, b, birth, birth. Okay, you see that cake? That's a birthday cake. Birthday cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years old. Birthday cake. Skirt. Sk. Skirt. Skirt. Okay, this is a beautiful purple skirt. Skirt. Her. Huh. Her. Her. Okay. She is sitting down reading her book. She's getting her homework done. Her. Herd. Huh. Herd. Herd. Okay, see them cows right there? That is a herd of cows. A herd of cows. Like you can have a herd of elephants. You can have a herd of giraffes. You can have a herd of goats. A herd of sheeps. But this is a herd of cows. Jerk. J. Jerk. Jerk. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We got some jerk chicken here, man. Yeah, man. All the way straight from Jamaica, man. Yeah, man. Jerk chicken. Surf. 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 The little boy is out there on the ocean surfing a wave with his surfboard. Yes, he's surfing. Hurt. Ha. Hurt. Hurt. Okay, it's like he hurt his foot. You see, he walking with crutches because he hurt his foot, and looks like he hurt his head because his head is wrapped up too. So this guy, he's hurt. Okay, he's hurt. Burn. 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 Okay, you see the fire is burning the wood. The fire burned the wood. Burn. Fur. Fur. Okay, now you see the fur coat down there, the fur. coat. That's a pretty fur coat. Okay? But now you see the bear up there? The bear got a fur coat on too. And the bear say, hey, you is not going to take my fur and make no fur coat out of it. Oh no. No, 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 no. It ain't finna happen. I'm going to keep my fur on my back. Now that's what the bear said now, okay? I didn't say it. The bear said. The bear said, you ain't finna get his fur. And I don't blame him. Okay, good. Learn. 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 Okay, it's like learning is fun. And the kids up top, they are learning, playing in the sun, learning how to read. And on the bottom is play, learn, and grow together. Now you notice that EAR, it makes the sound too. Just like IR make the sound, like ER make the sound, okay? And I'm going to show you how OR can make the sound. Okay? Keep watching. Early. E. Early. Y makes the E sound. Long E sound. E. And you see that bird right there? That bird got up real early in the morning. He got up at 7 o'clock. And guess what? The worm, he got the worm. Okay? But the other bird got up at 8 o'clock. Guess what? The worm was already gone. So the early bird gets the worm. Okay? Early bird gets the worm. Early. Early. Earth. 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 Okay, now you see that's a picture of the earth. Okay, now look. See the EAR in earth? It say just like the IR in girl say the EAR in earth say Okay? All you gotta remember is the earth. 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 Good. Alright. Work. 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 Okay, you see that OR? That OR says Okay? And the yellow picture up there showing somebody digging a hole in the ground. They are working. The man got a thumb up. He say like, yes, I got a job. $15 an hour. I can pay my rent. Okay. Woo. And the other guy over there, he got a thing on the board on his shoulder. He like, yes, $15 an hour. I can pay my rent. Good boy. Y'all working. That's good. You finna get paid. You finna get a paycheck. You're working. Good. Word. 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 Okay, you see the kid got the word around his neck. Okay? Word. So word got a sound in it too. Word. Word. Okay? Moving on. Actor. Act. Actor. You see the guy? He's acting on the stage, and he's gonna do a play on the stage. So he's an actor. Okay? A doctor. Doctor. Okay, you see this guy here? He is a doctor. If you get sick, you got to go to the doctor, and the doctor give you some medicine to make you feel better. Doctor. Okay? When you grow up and you learn how to read real good, you got a lot of books that you're going to have to read in order to become a doctor. So this is a good place to start right here. Know your sounds. Okay? Good. No child left